So what is happening right now here in price action of Bitcoin? Will the price of Bitcoin turn this bearish symmetrical triangle into a bullish symmetrical triangle and continue this uptrend like this, or is it going to turn into a fake out after some bullish movement, price again breaking here to the downside like this? Yes, this is exactly what we are going to talk in today's video, so please watch this video till the end. And also for those individuals who are new to the channel, who hasn't destroyed that like button, please do it right now. Destroy that like button, destroy that subscribe button and the bell. So if you look at this price action of Bitcoin in a 4-hour time frame, we can see the price of Bitcoin is forming this bearish symmetrical triangle. In a bearish symmetrical triangle, there is a very high probability of breaking the lower line support, and as soon as the lower line support gets broken, price usually continues this downtrend. But in our case, guys, in our case, the price of Bitcoin has somehow managed to break out of this upper line resistance. Yes, this upper line resistance has been broken, and now this could be a potential retest of previous temporary resistance line. Yes, this line which rejected the price in the past price action could be retested if we manage to remain above 16,500, because if we do remain above 16,500, that means this is a retest, and price after that could try again to break out of this 17,000, the most important resistance line which we have here in a medium short term before continuing this uptrend. Because if the price thus breaks out of the 17,000 but fails to hold the candle, the daily candle above 17,000, and this could turn out into a complete fake out here like this. So this is a big reason why I want you guys to monitor this price movement around 16,500 very closely, because if we do want to continue this uptrend, turn this bearish symmetrical triangle into a bullish symmetrical triangle, we have to overcome this resistance around 17,000 and flip it into proper support. Because if we do that, then there is a very high probability for this trend to continue here to the upside, even though this is a bearish symmetrical triangle. But failing to break out of this 17,000 means the price could be showing a move here in this manner after some bullish movement, right? Again continuing this downtrend. So please keep your eyes around the 16,500 16,000 range closely. And beside this, guys, beside this, we are also aware it's not that easy to break out of the 17,000 resistance, because this 17,000 resistance is also the upper line resistance from this ascending triangle, and also the monthly S2 line which we talked in my yesterday's video. Because we have found out in the past price action, this upper line has rejected the price couple of times. You can see the 17,000 is a very strong resistance line for us right now. So if the price of Bitcoin wants to show any sort of a bullishness, then we have to overcome this resistance around 17,000 into a proper support, and only after that we will say the price is ready for this impulsive movement towards this monthly S1 line before choosing a trend direction like this. And this monthly S1 line is between 18 to 19,000 range. Yes, 18 to 19,000 is going to be looked as our potential upcoming target if the price of Bitcoin finds support above 17,000. But if we fail, right, if we fail to break out of the 17,000, price also shows this corrective movement, then please be careful, guys. This lower line around 16,000, 16,400, 500 could be retested, and breaking that support means the price is clearly ready for this downtrend. And also this support, this lower line support, will be broken. So please, guys, please be careful, because you can see the price is still between this key line of resistance, key line of support. So if support gets broken, we know it is going to follow this downtrend. But if resistance gets flipped into support, then this impulsive movement is going to continue towards 18 to 19,000 before choosing a trend direction. Not just only this, guys, even here in a smaller time frame, yesterday we talked about this inverse head and shoulder. After this support line got broken, the price came exactly at our target line, and as soon as we reached our target line, after that we had this really nice relief rally, and price is also consolidating around this key line of resistance. Yes, guys, this 17,000 has rejected the price couple of times, so this is exactly where we are also keeping a close eyes, because we know, guys, if this 17,000 gets broken, price flips it into support, that means we are also forming this inverse head and shoulder, which is also a bullish continuation pattern. And if this bullish continuation pattern continues, then you can see very clearly, guys, the price of Bitcoin could be approaching between 18 to 19,000 before again choosing a trend direction. So that's why I'm showing you with so many different examples. This 17,000 must be flipped into proper support, because if it fails to turn into support, then this breakout here from this bearish symmetrical triangle, a bullish breakout could be turning into a fake out, and after that the price is going to show this movement here in this manner. So that is the reason why I'm actually saying you again and again, please do not over leverage yourself. Wait for the price to break out of this key line of support or resistance before placing any trades. And not just only this, even here in a daily time frame, we have said if the price manages to flip this 17,000 resistance into support, then this line, the 0.5 Fibonacci line, is where we could be getting gravitated before showing another corrective movement, just like here from the past price action. Relief rally ended after reaching the 0.5 Fibonacci line. Relief rally ended after reaching the 0.5 Fibonacci line. So this exact scenario could be playing out if we flip this 17,000 into support, and this 0.5 Fibonacci line is also lining between 18 to 19,000 range. So this was the reason why I was showing you with so many different examples. 18 to 19,000 would make a lot of sense if we flip the 17,000 into support, but if we fail to flip the 17,000 into support, then you know guys, the price of Bitcoin could be starting this corrective movement, which could bring the price even lower than the previous low. Yes, this symmetrical triangle target, if it is going to continue here to the downside, you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin, right? Price of Bitcoin could clearly approach around this 14,000 range and consolidate before choosing a trend duration. So please guys, please keep a close eye around this area, because even if the price is going to show any bullishness, we are not turning bullish. I mean, even if we are going to see this bullish breakout towards 18 to 19,000, that is not going to change the overall picture, because we know in a daily time frame the price is also forming dead cat bounce scenario, which we have already talked in my video plenty of time. And even if we are going to see this breakout and price is going to test the key line of resistance like this around 18 to 19,000 range, you can see this line was a very important line of support, and this exact line could be acting as a resistance around 18 to 19,000 range. That's why I showed you with the previous example, 18 to 19,000 would make a lot of sense, but around that area we have some very strong resistance lining for Bitcoin. And even if we are going to see a corrective movement after that, that will continue this lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern, and this is also looked as a bearish continuation pattern. So these are some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. Please keep a close eye around this 16,500 16,400 range, and if the price breaks out of the 17,000, then we are expecting this trend continuation to continue towards 18 to 19,000 before again choosing a trend direction. So if you enjoyed my work, then please destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching it for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.